LRU cache part 2. Let's recap what we have so far. So we start at the node left and right where the both value is 0 in here. So here is 0 at 893. And then we insert the address at 900 with the value 1. So this is 0, 1, and 0. Then we insert 2 in here. So next to the previous of 900 is 893. So we can have 893 in here with the value 0, 900 value 1, 906 value 2, 894 value 0. Then we insert 908 with value 3, and we got this conclusion. So we have at the address, so this is the memory address. So Java allocate that in the memory address. Yeah. The value is 0, 900 value is 1, 906 value is 2, 908 value is 3, and 894 value is 0. However, I need to stop and need to rerun the Java again, and the address change, but like it doesn't really make any difference. So we will have a new address right now. We have 893 mapped to 0, still the same. 896 mapped to 1. This is not mapped. Passing by reference. 893 refers, the reference of 893 is 0. The reference of 896 is 1. The reference of 897 is 2. The reference of 898 is 3. 894 is also 0. So we can move on to this one, and we will get the key of 1. Remember that when we insert, we got 1, 2, 3. When we get, we will remove 1 and we will insert that in here. So therefore 1 is the most recent of the cache, whatever cache. I still don't understand. So we will go here and we will ask, do we have that in the hash map? Yes, we do. We have the key 1 in here. Then we will remove it. How are we going to remove? So that key 1 is referred to a node. What kind of node is that? That node is 896, as we can see in here at the 896. So I will take this thing. Let's focus on that first. Then we'll go to this one. Cool. So here we will get prev, which is node.prev, and next, which is node.next. So our prev is, and our next is this one. Okay. So we got prev. Let's check it in here. Yep, 893, and the next is 897. Prev 893, next 897. And then prev.next is equal next. So the next of 893, so when we take this one, we don't only take one, it also implies the next is 896 and the next is 897, as well as this one, the 897, the next is 898. So this goes, when you take it, it will come also with you. So we will have previous.next is equal to next. So previous.next, so it is 896. We will replace that into 897. That's how we change that. This between like this number 1 will be gone, as well as the. So let's see, what is previous.next is 896, the value 1, and we'll replace that with the value 2 of 897. And the next.prev, what is our next? Next is 897. The previous of 897 is 896, which is the value 1, and we'll replace that with. So this is 896, and we will replace that with 893. That's how the node 1 remove. Then we will insert. I'm not going to explain insert again. Then we will insert that. So that will be in the. I should explain it. that will be in the after 898. So we will have that insert in here, in this one. So that would be, so far our node is, so whenever we insert, it will always be located right before the right in here. So this 896 will be next to 898. Let's see that. So this will be our nodes right now. And then, so as you can see in here, we got the left 0, next to 0 is 2, next to 2 is 3, and next to 3 is 1. Okay, so and we'll return 1, that's true. We'll put 4. So when we put 4, we will cache that 4. Do we have 4 or not? No, we don't. Then we will put that in the hash map. We got 4 in here, and our node for 4 is 1917, and we will insert that. So remember that we will insert it next to the right before the 894 in here. So it will be at 917 and value is 4. The value is 4. So let's do it quickly. Then we will have that 0, 2, 3, 1, and 4 at the 917 in here. That's how we add that. Then the capacity is the size right now is more than capacity, so we will remove that. Well, we'll remove is to the next of the left, because left is the beginning one. So we will remove left is the beginning one, so we will remove this one. This will be gone. Then we will shift it, so this will be our updated list node that we have. So node LRU is this left.next, which means that will be the number 2. Yeah, our key is 2, and we remove that. And then we also remove that from the cache. I'm going to quickly. Anyway, you know it. We already put 4, and then like when we get 2, we don't have that because we already removed 2. So it will return -1. So in the hash map, we don't have. Yeah, in the hash map we don't have that. But, oh, it's cache in here. Yeah. So when we don't have it, we just return -1. Then we will insert 5. I think like it's already straightforward right now. So 5 will be in here, and this will be gone. So that will be 145, yeah, and the 3 will be gone. Okay, cool. Then we will get 1. So right now, let's do it in the high level. 145. We will get 1. It's become 451. So if we check that here, 0, 4. For the next F5, and that is 1. Then we go 3 to the 3. Do we have that in the cache? No, we don't. We will return -1. Then we get 4, so it will become 514. Okay, looking good.